This is how to change the ringtone notification sound on your iPhone to a custom one. So I want to show you now. This is the current one that I have in sound and haptics, in the settings, sound and haptics. That's the ringtone. Under the sound and haptics settings, you have many options, but I can change the ringtone and other text sounds and notification sounds. For ringtone, I could choose the sound. I could change this to some default ones, specific ones. Here I could choose any of these. I could change any of these sounds like that, but you could actually add custom ringtone. First, you have to download the audio file of your ringtone that you want to use, and it should be less than 30 seconds or 20 seconds. I have the audio file saved on the downloads folder on my iCloud drive, and this is just a song from the YouTube audio library. If you want to set this song as a ringtone, long press on the song here, then tap share. In the share window, you have a few options, but you also have the option to use as ringtone. And you get this notification that the song has to be under 30 seconds. You will have to change this to a song that is less than 30 seconds. I will use GarageBand to edit this, to shorten this. Okay, so I have the song here ready in the GarageBand. The reason why I use GarageBand here was to make this file shorter, so I put the audio file here using these loops. I added that file into the library, and then you long press on the file and you can drag it anywhere you like, just like that. I will delete that part, I don't need it, so I only have this. Now the length of this song is shorter, so I go back to the list of songs, and in GarageBand you can long press on the song that you want to share. Tap on share, and you have the option to set directly as a ringtone from here, directly without anything else. I will export this as a song, so you don't have to use GarageBand, so I'll choose simply like this, share, and save to files. I will save this file, so I have the file ready. Now I can open the files manager app, and this song, it's already here. So that's the shorter version of the song, and now on this song I can press share, and when I press share I can use as ringtone, and it's already here. So just like that, the ringtone is changed to My Song 5, it's just a temporary name. That's how you change the ringtone on your iPhone to a custom ringtone. Thanks for watching.